What's up, VIPs? This is Jamie, and this is our first jam certification. This is the studio by Jamie Kinkeade, and they have been working all weekend super hard. They're going to be our first round of jam instructors all over the country and even in Canada. Be looking for that coming to a city near you. We just choreographed this routine in about 15 minutes. We are super excited to share it with you. Let's shake some.
What?
This is a Larry production.
Yeah.
my Larry on the beat.
Turn up king, bad green. Bring a bell with this. Ballin' with my team all day, champ. Hit them bare, they hoping I leave my kids there like a day camp. Shining brighter than a big lamp. We loud like it's hooked up to a big amp. Blowing in your face, put my hands around your waist. Ram me, then I slam it, run it like a race. Doggy like Snoop. Murder was the case though. Battle Caliente, Nino with my pesos. Done by the caseload, die before I chase racks on racks, all stacks that can't fall when you get it like we do. If you getting money, then yeah, me too. Yeah, me too. Yeah, me too. That's your girl if I'm Mr. D2.
I'ma throw this money, I need you to shake some.
Look, I'ma take your money and then I'ma shake some.
Look, I'ma throw this money, I need you to shake some.
I'ma take your money and then I'ma shake some. Shake some.
Shake some.
Shake some.
Shake some.
Shake some.
Shake some. Shake some. Shake some.
Shake some.
Shake some.
Shake some.
Shake some.
Shake some.
Shake some. Shake some. Shake some.
Say she twerk, lil' mama twerk. She be getting money, she be putting in work. I say she own hers. She bring that up, then she drop it to a split. Then she look good. Ratchet little coming straight up out the hood. Mine, she bang, throw it up, bang. She really with the bull, she ain't into the claim.
I lost my mind, twerking on Vine, Instagram video, twerking online. You love the time, made back recline. So big and move without trying. I ain't got a rap, got a ball player in the trap. Red the car black is all that I attract. As a matter of fact, pull up, Pan American black. My sling hold 100 bands, can you imagine?
I'ma throw this money, I need you to shake some.
Look, I'ma take your money and then I'ma shake some.
Look, I'ma throw this money, I need you to shake some.
I'ma take your money and then I'ma shake some. Shake some.
Shake some.
Shake some.
Shake some.
Shake some.
Shake some. Shake some. Shake some.
Shake some.
Shake some.
Shake some.
Shake some.
The baby fall
Shake some.
and
Shake some. Shake some.
I got a booty like a hippo. She a freak on the low, I got the info. Hook, love to eat hot Cheetos. She got me coming on my drawers, no speedo. I love that, let her tape. Drive a BMW or a Beamer. She in a set cause her older brother bang. But she gon' rep D&G gang. And when she pull up to the club, she kill. She keep a blunt and she keep a drink filled. Everybody tryna hit it on the low. A quickie, I'ma hit it on the go. I'm in the back contest, on Instagram every day she flex, Body right, tight, get, hop up, let your body keep sweat,
I'ma throw this money, I need you to shake some.
Look, I'ma take your money and then I'ma shake some.
Look, I'ma throw this money, I need you to shake some.
I'ma take your money and then I'ma shake some. Shake some.
Shake some.
Shake some.
Shake some.
Shake some.
Shake some. Shake some. Shake some.
Shake some.
Shake some.
Shake some.
Shake some.
Shake some.
Shake some. Shake some. Shake some. Shake some.
Shake some. Shake some.
What?
This is a Larry production.
Yeah.